Hi guys, I have come again with my new video. Maybe everyone knows it's your friend Yuvraj Rana, and today I'm also little curious about this thing that I'm gonna make my new video for my friends, for everyone who are wanna speak English. So now I can say that it's a little bit difficult for me because I'm about this thing. I'm staying in Dehradun and I even know a palace that where I can make any kind of video related to English speaking. So now let's start. Firstly, I would like to say that if anyone new here, so press the bell icon, subscribe my YouTube channel. Then you can see all notification related to my video related to English speaking. That how you can speak and how you can use compliments and proverbs like also. In my last video, I was talking something about this thing that I'm gonna tell you something about compliment and about something like proverbs that how you can use in your English speaking. So now I can say that if you are going outside, if you are trying to talk any girl and woman, that how you can impress any guy. I'm not talking about girl and woman, I'm talking about each every person with him you are talking, with that guy you are talking that in English. Then and you are going to use your compliment and proverbs, and that how you can attract by that guy. So now I can say that like it's for women and girls. You can say you are going to use pretty for that, it's a pretty good, hi pretty, what's going on, like something like that, pretty. It's that girl and woman must be think about that you have like lot of respect for that. And after that, if you are going to because women's like admire, like they like compliment. If you are going to pass compliment for her, that must be they're gonna be attracted for you. Like if you are going to say something, uh, if you wanna pass compliment for her eyes, yeah, I'm just talking about eyes. Like you can say that your eyes are slayer, and you can say that your beauty is jaw dropping. You can say something like that, and you can pass compliment. And if you are talking, if I'm talking about proverbs, and like that how you can use proverbs, and if it's a popular proverb, like we can say that barking dog seldom bit, like जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं, in Hindi we can say that. And if I'm talking about something a bad workman always blame his tools, नाचना ना जाने आंगन टेढ़ा, if you know about it, this that how we can use in Hindi and English also, both are. And like if you are going to talk with anyone, like I have a large number of compliment proverbs. If I'm gonna tell you that it's gonna be a long list, I'm not going to talk about this thing. But I'm saying you are going to use compliment and proverbs in your daily speaking, that how you can talk to anyone and how you can impress and attracted any guy by your English and by your compliment. And I can say that if you're gonna include a compliment in your English speaking, in your English, must be you can attracted any guy. And that guy must be gonna be like talk to you, that must be think that I'm gonna talk that guy, that do admire. And most of girls and women, so you are after today you are going to use petty and or like something like that, high gorgeous. And yeah, I feel like I remember that thing. What is the full form of girls? You don't know about it, I'm going to tell you. uh, what is the full form girls? It's girls full form is gorgeous in real life, gorgeous in life, gorgeous in real life. Maybe you are trying to get you what I'm going to tell you, you are going to understand. And if I'm going to talk about boys, uh, don't think about it. It's a pretty amazing beauty of young society. It's a full form of boys, beauty of young society. You are not going to think that we also beauty of young society. No one can defeat us. So now maybe it's gonna be enough for today. And now I would like to say that if anyone new what's my humble request, frequently I'm going to tell you, please subscribe my channel and uh, press the bell icon and do subscribe. And follow me on Insta and Facebook. And I'm going to tell you if you have any question related to English speaking, that how you can speak. And if I'm doing any kind of mistake related to English speaking, so neglect my old mistakes, and you are going to tell me that kind of mistake are you doing, and you're gonna be work. And you have to, like, I'm going to work, and you have to work a lot about this thing, our mistakes. And we're gonna be, after that we can learn. Maybe it's not a big deal for us. If we can speak, if we can understand that, we're gonna be clear our all mistake by our efforts. So bye bye guys, we'll meet soon, and follow me on Insta and Facebook, ask me any question, and do comment how much you can do. So bye bye guys, we'll meet soon. It's your friend Yuvraj Rana. Bye bye guys.